good evening, good afternoon students of class 11. I have completed all the chapter of cost, part 1 and part 2 I have given, where I have shown the different curves. What are the curves I have shown? That is the short run curves. We have shown all short run curves because in short run all the costs are variable. In short run we got two type of cost. One is fixed cost, yes, that is TFC, and another one is TBC. So what are the costs we are having? We are having TFC card, we are having TBC card. If I will come add up TFC and TBC, then I will get TC card also. So what are the three main curves? TC, TFC and TBC. I have given the diagram also. Again once more showing how you will draw TFC, TBC and TC. Okay. TFC, it is a fixed cost card. So when the production is 0, then fixed cost is also cannot be 0. So fixed cost TFC cannot start from origin. So it will never start from origin. It will be above origin and it will be a horizontal line because fixed cost is fixed up to the certain level of production. Because and suppose if I will give fixed cost 120 per unit, 120 means, and this fixed cost any quantity can be produced up to a certain extent. Suppose I am given one example. In a class is a fixed cost. In a class 40 students can be accommodated. So if the number of students is 20 or below 40, 20, 30, 35, 36, whatever below 40 or exactly 40, no room is required. But when the number of students crosses 40, school may accommodate for the classroom. That is called fixed cost. The fixed cost is fixed up to a certain level of production. When the number of students is within 40, then school doesn't need to provide separate classroom for accommodate the students. So classroom here is the fixed cost. At one room, the one room has the capacity to contain 40 students. So here like that, up to a certain level of production, fixed cost in total remain fixed. That's why it is a straight line parallel to the x-axis, and at this cost any quantity can be produced up to certain extent. Okay, understood? Now coming to variable cost, TBC. I have said it is totally also known as production cost because it is totally dependent on the production. Initially when we will calculate TC, the portion of TBC is more than the portion of TFC is more than TBC. But as the production continues, then what will happen? The portion of TFC fall down whereas the TBC increases. Why? Because TFC is a fixed cost card and TBC is a variable cost. It moves according to the level of production. Higher the production, higher will be the TBC cost. So at the initial stage of production, in the contribution of TFC towards TC is more, but at the latter half of the production, the contribution of TBC towards the total cost is more. I have explained this one. So if I will draw TBC, then what I will draw? It is a S-shaped curve. At first TBC will increase, but at a decreasing rate. All given in the copy. Decreasing rate. But after a certain point, TBC will increase at an increasing rate. Okay, understood? Suppose up to this point, just a minute. follow this way. See, the shape of the car will change after the point B. Okay, this is, see here I have drawn the car this way. See, in this way. After crossing of B, I have drawn the car in this way. Okay, so it is called the convex part and it is called the concave part. Okay, that I will teach you afterwards. First you will see the way as long as PVC is increasing at a decreasing rate. How far it is happening? The up to point B it is happening. Afterwards, this is point B is known as the point of inflection. It is class 12 concept, though I am giving in class 11. This P is called the point of inflection. From that point onwards, the PVC car, from that point onwards, PVC car takes another shape. Clear? Shape has been changed. First it is this side, this way. Afterwards it is that way. When I will teach concave and convex concept in class 12, then I will take the name of those part, which one is concave curve and which part is convex part. But right now just you remember that before the point of inflection, PVC is increasing at a decreasing rate. After the point of inflection, PVC will increase at a increasing rate. Here it will increase at increasing rate. It is called IRR, increase at increasing rate. This is increase at decreasing rate. IDR and IRR. Okay, TVC card. Now coming to TC card. See what I have said, accordingly follow, remember and draw the card. Initially, the contribution of PVC towards contribution of PVC, this card, towards TC is less. But after sometimes what will happen, after the point of inflection, the contribution of PVC towards TC is more. So, at first there will be more gap between PVC and TC. See. Then what will happen? The gap will be narrower. See here. Okay, that is TC. Here, at first what will happen? At first the gap between TC and PVC, this is TC card and this PVC card will be it is wider. Why? This wider part is known as the gap between it is TC card and it is the PVC card, and this part is known as what? TFC. Yes, because TC minus PVC is known as TF card. Clear? But afterwards you see up to this, okay. See here, up to this part TFC is more. Now here onwards, this part, when the PVC is increasing at a decreasing rate, then what will happen? The contribution of TFC towards TC is falling down. I have given the table also. Clear? If possible, I will take our online class. I will explain this part to you once more. So remember, when you will draw TC card and PVC card, at first when you will draw the TC card, remember the distance between PVC and TC will be more, and afterwards when the PVC will increase at an increasing rate, then the distance between TC and PVC falls down and both the card become narrower. Am I clear? Now coming to this part is over. Total from cost on the basis of total. Now I will draw the average cost. See, we are having three main costs. Now, if all the cases, if I will take the average, means it will be divided by the production. TC by Q. What I will get? AC. PVC by Q, what I will get? ABC. TFC by Q, we will get AFC. Am I clear? So we are having 3 cars, AC, ABC, AFC. Clear? When we will go for the average concept. So what are the shapes of the car? Read this chapter very thoroughly. Question will come. See, first one, AFC. AFC is a car which is falling from the beginning because it is an average of TFC which is constant. So AFC is known as a downward sloping car. It will fall. It will fall from the beginning, but the thing is this: it cannot be 0 because TFC cannot be 0. Yes. So if I will make TFC by Q equal to 0, I have to make if AFC will be 0. Yes or no? If AFC will be 0, then TFC or Q, anything will be 0. So neither, clear, understood, but the TFC cannot be 0. TFC, if I will multiply 3Q with 0, then what I will get? TFC equal to 0. That is not possible. Total fixed cost cannot be 0. So total average fixed cost too cannot be 0. But what is the shape of the average fixed cost? It is a rectangular hyperbola. It is from the beginning it is downward sloping. After a certain time, the change of AFC will be insignificant. The car become a straight line, and because its movement become almost stagnant. I have shown this part, and see here it is dropping down, dropping down, dropping down, dropping down. Now see here this part, it becomes almost stagnant, moving at a very insignificant rate. So this is called AFC. Clear, understood? We are having another 2 curve. One is ABC and another one is AC. So AC initially what will happen? Difference will be more. Afterwards AC will be narrower to ABC. Clear? Understood? Clear? So initially the difference between ABC and AC is called AC. This is AFC. Again, see here AFC is falling down value and it is almost negligible. So contribution of AFC towards AC is falling down. AFC, draw with this part with black ink. This AFC you will do either black ink or pink or any other color except green and red, because you have to show this AFC part very properly. Initially AFC's proportion towards AC is more, but as afterwards what will happen, the proportion of AFC towards AC is dropping down, and as a result ABC is considering the significant part in AC. As a result, the gap become very closer. Clear? Understood? Because ABC is contributing or comprising the major part, better to say the maximum part of AC. So when you will draw the curve, you should be very careful. And I am completing this chapter. Up to this you are having, apart from that you are having banking chapter and you are having fiscal policy. Banking chapter will be done by Avanti ma'am and fiscal policy I will do. Thanks.